When older adults helped out in elementary school classrooms, there were plenty of positive results for the kids and even better results for the adults. Many studies have found that staying physically active can keep your brain sharp. Hi, I'm Dr. Miller. Here's a surprising anti-aging tip for you. Go back to school. Don't go back as a student, but as a volunteer. When older adults helped out in elementary school classrooms, there were plenty of positive results for the kids and even better results for the adults. Many studies have found that staying physically active, socially connected, and mentally stimulated can keep your brain sharp. In one study, all those things were put together when women over the age of 60 volunteered in the classroom for 15 hours a week. After 6 months, researchers found that the volunteers' brains showed increased activity in the prefrontal cortex. That's the part of your brain that often declines with age. These benefits weren't seen in a similar group of women who didn't volunteer. Volunteering and being around other people can truly give meaning and purpose to your life. That benefits your mood and your memory. Plus, being in a room full of kids gives you no choice but to be physically active. I'm Dr. Miller. For more ways to live younger, watch all our smart tips right here.